to another vlog. I have not been vlogging on the other slide. I just got back, well, it's been a week, but my last video was when I went on a cruise, and I am now back home. I just got done filming a sit-down video, fashion video, like for a capsule wardrobe, and yeah, I was just flicking it up and doing the things. But I'm tired. I went and walked my 10th out. Well, I took my watch off because, oh, look at this. Oh, y'all can't see it. This says, wish y'all could see it. It literally says 9,999 steps. So I got my 10,000 steps in today. Very happy about that. And boy, I went at the wrong time of day because it was busting hot. My legs been sore from 2 days ago from a workout. So yeah, that's that. But I am about to get me something to eat. I am currently fasting, so I've decided to do, and I wasn't sure if I was going to share because I'm just like, I don't know, but I have been fasting. Well, I fasted in March. I did not fast in April. So I'm planning to like make it a habit to fast every single month. And I forgot her name, but I'll put it on the screen. I was watching a video of hers, and yeah, she has this community where they fast once a month for the first 3 days. And I mean, that would be, I'll be fine. So yeah, today is day 1. It's from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. which is pretty easy for me, to be honest, because I don't really get hungry until maybe like noon, 1 o'clock, and by that time I have like, you know, 5 more hours at school, whatever. But I am currently doing that. I'm about to clean this mess up because you already know how it is when you're filming a video. It's pretty late actually. Well, it's 8:17 right now, so I haven't been doing it for that long. I started at 5 o'clock, and oh, not too long, 5 o'clock, and now it's 8:17. So I did everything pretty quickly. I haven't really looked at any videos in detail, but I'm gonna have to use whatever I got because it's just videos. It's not like, granted, you want good quality, but I think the quality is good in terms of like the on my phone and stuff where I was doing like showing the outfits. But I need to clean my closet because I just have clothes on the floor. I got jeans in the bathroom on the sink. I just need to tidy up. But I wanted to come on and start a weekly vlog because I'm like, oh well, I'm kind of behind. But I posted a sit down. I'm about to post, well, I just posted the MSC vlog, and then this will come the week after. So yeah, a week in the life. Just trying to get back on, not even on track, just, you know, fasting and praying. I already prayed this morning, and I'll do a thorough prayer and Bible study tonight. I feel like when I do it later at night, I can dive more into it. Oh, my battery is going dead. My battery's going dead, but I'll charge my battery and then yeah. So I cleaned up a little bit. Well, there wasn't really much to clean up, but put up all my clothes. I'm really excited for this video I just shot. So cute, and I'm actually tired. That walk did a number, but right now I'm about to have some it's not really it's not much in this for, oh, I thought there was somebody, there was a mirror. It's not really much in here. I'm about to cut up some cucumber, put it in my little concoction, and I'll probably make me some eggs because I'm not really hungry. Oh, I would love a salad, but I don't have any shoot, I'm gonna go get dressing tomorrow because I want some avocado ranch. But anywho, I feel like I haven't vlogged in a minute, but I actually have, because I'm just like, I don't know, I haven't vlogged at home in a minute, I guess. I don't know. But anywho, exciting news. Me and my sisters started a book club, and the book club starts tomorrow. I got my book, Somebody's Daughter. I heard really good reviews about this, so I'm really excited to read it. And then, oh, where's my phone? Because my makeup looks so good, it's crazy. Okay, she didn't text me yet, so she might have to miss out on this one, and then we'll add her into the next go round. But my dad's wife was also going to join the book club with us, but we'll see. But yeah, we started a book club and I'm super excited about it. I have been reading. I'm so excited about staying on track with my reading. And yeah, I have read, I'm currently reading Sula. This is my second time reading it, but it's been well over a decade. It's been like 15 years since I read the book. I initially read it when I was entering high school. We had a 9th grade summer assignment where you had to read a book, do a book report, and then the first few weeks, month, when you start your 9th grade, your freshman year, you would discuss the book in English Lit. So that was that. And I remember loving the book so much. And I was very young. And I don't know why I love the book so much, but I really enjoyed this. So I'm like, let me order the book again. I want to read it. And I was like reading the book. I'm like, what was my young mind? Like, what made me read that book? I have no idea, but it's a really good book. I'm almost like halfway through it. So I'm currently reading Sula. I just finished Holier Than Thou. I finished, A Lesson Before You Die. I finished that last month, but A Lesson Before You Die, I finished Holier Than Thou. Well, we're in May, it's May 1st, but in April I finished Holier Than Thou, A Lesson Before You Die, and then I'm currently reading Sula, and then I will be reading Somebody's Daughter. So I'll be reading maybe 2 or 3 books this month, probably 3. We'll see, because Sula, I feel like I can fly through that, because when I'm really into a book, I can sit for a good 2 hours, 3 hours and finish a book. So I usually read at night. So yeah, I'm gonna make sure my sisters are still on board. Well, they bought the book, so we have to just figure out a game plan. And I forgot what we said, but how many chapters we'll read before we meet each. I think we give ourselves a week or 2 weeks. I think we broke the book into 3 or 2. I think 3, because we saw how many chapters it was, and then we broke it into 3, and then we meet twice in the month. So we meet after, I just forgot that quick. I'm gonna have to see. But yeah, I've been really excited about reading, and I also need to oh my gosh, I have to go home. When I have to go home, I will be going home next week. I actually need to reserve my rental car, because we're gonna do a road trip. We're going home. My mentor from high school is retiring from the police department after, I think, 32 years. So like, what, 32 years? So I'm super excited. I can't not miss it. Like, she means so much to me, and retiring is huge. She said she was gonna retire, but I didn't think it was gonna be this soon. I just saw her a few months ago. But yeah, I'm gonna go home to go to her retirement party. It's gonna be a quick trip. But I'm excited. I haven't been home in like maybe 5 months. Since December. So yeah. that's pretty much what's going on right now. It's so quiet in here. Just going through my email. But yeah, I just wanted to come and start the vlog. Tomorrow I will be getting up in the morning, going on my walk, and we're gonna go from there. Oh my god, looks like my makeup looks so good. Wow, like I don't like, look at that. Kind of look like airbrushed or something. I use my same product, but it looks so stinking good. Yeah, this looks really good. But anywho, I'm about to wipe this. Man, I'm about to get in the shower, clean my face. I need to wash these dishes that's in there. I forgot to take the trash out. So yeah, I will see y'all in the next clip. Okay, so it is the next day, and like I mentioned yesterday, me and my sisters have started a book club. We just got off the phone going through some of the logistics, how often we'll meet, and what portion of the book we'll be reading between those meeting points. So I'm super excited, and I'm sitting here. I guess it's a perfectionist in me. I have no idea, but I have created a Google Meeting link. I have created just an outline of questions that can guide the conversation. I have everybody's email, and I decided to name the book club B&B, Bonding Through Books, or Bonding in Books. I don't know, but I think that's really cute. And I'm about to finish one more question. I have a total of 5 questions. I'm about to send it over. I am super excited. I don't want to show you, can't, well, it's not gonna zoom, but this is how it looks. Book of the month. Oh, we're also reading Somebody's Daughter. I did mention that yesterday, but yeah, I am super excited about this. Okay, so I'm currently meal prepping. It's a lot going on, but my chicken, what is this? Chicken thighs is almost done. But what I need to do is take some of the juice or gravy, what do you call it, the whatever. I'm gonna take a few spoons of this out. Actually, I'm gonna pour some in like my pot, and I'm gonna cook my rice that way, just so I'm not eating like bland rice. That's just something. Oh yeah, I'm tired. I just ate lunch. But yeah, I'm gonna take some of the drippings out of this. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chicken thighs. Take some of the drippings out to make my rice. And I have some green beans and kale that I can eat as a veggie. So let's do that. Okay, so the rice is cooking. I use some of the drippings from the meat to dip the rice. As you can see, it's some color in there. The chicken, hold on, perfecto. I use some of the drippings again to coat my green beans, just so I don't have to put any extra butter or coconut oil. Just, you know, use the stuff. And it was coconut oil at the bottom of this anyway, just so it won't stick. So I just use some of the little gravy drippings, toss it on here, put some salt and pepper, and now this is going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes. I don't want it to be overcooked. I like my veggies crunchy. So yeah, this is the meal prep. I still have to make ground beef, but I'll probably make that. It's giving. I'd probably do it tonight, honestly. It's only 8:30, so this is my chicken getting shrunk a little bit because I'm that person. I clean every piece of the chicken and I be cutting a lot of it off. So yeah, my skin kind of detached from the rest of the pieces of the meat. So yeah, a little bit of rice. I really do like rice. I don't get a lot, as you can see how, you know, high it is. It's not that, it's probably like this much of rice in depth. So yeah, I'm gonna do probably 2 or 3 tablespoons of rice. It'll probably be like 3 tablespoons of rice. Make sure each one of these is definitely 4 ounces of chicken, and then 4 ounces of green beans. If I don't have enough to stretch, I'll do 3. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meals, which I could swap out for dinner or for lunch. And then a ground turkey. I'll use that. Like I can eat green beans. I have a little bit, no I don't. I have kale, I have salad. So I have salad I can eat with my ground turkey. I have wraps I can eat with my ground turkey. I also have some black beans that I bought. So I could just switch it up. So yeah, the main meals, well the only meals I prep is my lunch and dinner. Everything else, you know, you just freestyle, but my breakfast is the same kind of every morning. Egg whites, avocado, and either turkey, bacon, or just the eggs and avocado. So yeah, that's my little meal prep, and I'm almost done, and I can clean up, well, clean the stove, everything else is clean. So yeah.
You're gonna miss somebody, but I kind of said it in my vow for those who maybe might be here. But I love the sheriff's office, not just the sheriff's office, but the people that I came to know at the sheriff's office. And I know that it was God all the time in it all. You know, you heard my anthem song, "Never Would Have Made It Without." And that's truly my heart. I would not have made it without each one of you, and most of all without the Lord. And I just thank you for all that you've done. And I'm gonna say these three things. There are prayers that I prayed.